Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to beat Jet Dragon. And as you can see, we already have Jet Dragon caught and we are already mounted. So how do you beat him? It's very easy. So go to party. If you played this game when it came out, you would probably have seen some videos that you could catch the tower bosses. So I have these three, right? I didn't catch everybody. I think I didn't catch two because I think there's five. Might be wrong, but I already had Zoe and Griswold and Lily and Lylene and Axel and Orsurk. So when I caught Jet Dragon first, I fought him with Axel and Orsurk. So we're gonna do that again, and we have Jet Dragon, our own Jet Dragon, just in case for insurance. And at the same time, you need also to, where is he? There, he's below. Okay, you also need to be prepared to have at the least ultra balls, right? Ultra spheres, hyper spheres, yeah, hyper spheres. And if you have already legendaries, stockpile legendary spheres. I have only 33 because I haven't really grinded spheres that much, but this would be enough because we want him to go down to double-digit HP. Let's just start fighting him. There you go. As you can see, that didn't really do anything. But if we have Orsurk, the reason why I like Orsurk is because he damages Jet Dragon really well. So why am I using this method? It's because power bosses have so much HP, and as you can see, our Orsurk has barely been damaged. And they are stronger than normal pals. So that's why they're a good pal to like invest time and resources in. There we go. Okay, we still have a lot of HP. We want maybe another skill from Orsurk to hit Jet Dragon. Let's just stop. Oh, okay. Okay, so already 19. Let's catch him. 32%. We got him? Yeah, we got him. There you go. So that's our method of catching Jet Dragon. Again, you'd want a tower boss. Better if you have Axel and Orsurk because they didn't take any damage. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.